in love. Oh my God. This is a pre-styled unit. You don't have to do anything to it. Honestly, when I took it straight out the pack, fluffed it out with my fingers, the curls and the layers are tea. Chef's kiss, okay? It is super secure, stable, won't slide off your head. This is a glueless wig, and y'all, it's on here. Okay, you guys, this is the final look of this Nadula unit. I didn't even curl my entire head, y'all. I literally did like 3 curls over here. I did about 3 curls on this side, and then I recurled the bang, and I let the roller sit in it for about 45 minutes. That was it. But honestly, when I took it straight out the pack, fluffed it out with my fingers, the curls and the layers are tea. Chef's kiss, okay? Look at this. Do y'all see this? Okay, just to give y'all a little bit of specs details about the hair. So this is 7x5, no slip, feathered, layered, left side part wig. It's in 20 inches. It is 200% density. It's super thick. It has a natural hairline, and it has the upgraded no slip 360 elastic cap. It is super secure, stable, won't slide off your head. This is a glueless wig, and y'all, it's on here. It's on here. You can yank, tug at it, get a big old gust of wind, and it is nice and secure on your head. It's bouncy, full density, it's glossy, full of layers. Oh my God, this is giving wifey hair. This is giving first lady hair. This is giving bad bee hair. Baby, I love it. I love this. You could change the style if you want to. If you wanted to do a middle part, you could. If you want to change the part to this side, you could. Cause look, you see that? You can change the part if you want to. Very versatile. Ooh, I love this. You need this in your life. The biggest sale is going on right now with 25% off. You put in my code Gina. The link is down below. The coupon code is down below. If you miss anything, all of the details are down below about this unit, about Nadula, and you guys, y'all need this.